the equity markets, the Nifty has witnessed an extremely volatile trading session today. It opened on a positive note, then intraday it was almost down around 100 points. Thereafter it recovered from the day's low and ended the day on a positive note after 5 consecutive daily negative closes. The market low was negative with 730 advances to 742 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ONGC, Tata Motors, Infosys, Lupin, Kane India, Power Grid were some of the stocks which closed on a negative note, while Hindustan Unilever, L&T, HDFC Limited, TCS, HDFC Bank, Dr. Reddy were some of the stocks which closed the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive after 5 consecutive daily negative closes. It hasn't breached the previous swing low of 82.69 and around 82.84 was the exact low of today, and from there it bounced off in today's trading session. In our last update, we pointed out that 84.60 on the upside, if not breached, could see further selling pressure. In the first half of the trading session, we saw exactly that. The Nifty broke below yesterday's low of 83.50 and traded below. However, it wasn't able to continue, and intraday we saw that sharp bounce, and as a result of that, it has closed in the positive. Overall, since it has closed in the positive and on the RV charts, it is very much possible to count this fall from the high of 8845 up till the low of 8284 as a complete 5-wave decline, and considering the fact that it has closed in the positive helps us to believe that a 5-wave decline might be over at today's positive close, and we might get a retracement of this decline in this coming trading sessions. However, considering the fact that we have a clean 5-wave decline on the downside, the overall trend for the short term shall remain negative, and sell on rise would be the strategy that we advise to our traders. And traders should look for signs of weakness around resistance, which are placed at around 8500 and 8565. That is the level around which we expect the Nifty to resume its downside or the next wave on the downside to begin. So around 8500 to 8565 is the level around which traders can initiate fresh short positions. So the strategy would be to sell on rise, and we continue to maintain our negative stance on Nifty. 83.52 and 82.44 are crucial supports. 8500 and 8565 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also seen a sharp recovery and was one of the major pullers for the Nifty also in today's trading session. It recovered very sharply from the intraday lows and also closed the day on a positive note. Our sense is that it might just be doing a retracement of the fall which we have been seeing from the last week or for the past 4 to 5 trading sessions. And once this pullback is over, the next wave on the downside should be on the way. So we continue to maintain a negative stance on Bank Nifty as well. 18,000 and 17,550 are crucial supports. 18,420 and 18,668 are crucial resistances. So overall, from the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty still remain negative. Yes, we can get a bounce of the fall which we have seen from the highs of 88.45 up till the low of 82.84 to be exact. Now the strategy to play this move should be to sell on rise, as we have a 5-wave decline on the downside, and and once this retracement is over, then the next wave should be resume on the downside. So we continue to maintain our negative stance. 83.50 and 82.44 are crucial supports. 8500 and 85.65 are crucial resistances. That's all for the day. Thank you.